In this age of digital demands and supply chain challenges, the world's most innovative companies need an electronics manufacturing partner who delivers essential capabilities, flexibility, and responsiveness. Prime is well positioned to be that trusted partner. With experience more than 3 decades strong, we are a privately held manufacturer of moderate to high volume, high complexity printed circuit board assemblies and top-level electronics. Bringing innovations to life, Prime makes the hardware controlling thousands of electronics products, from industrial and transportation control systems to IoT applications for a networked world to aircraft avionics. As one of Inc. magazine's 5,000 fastest-growing companies, we continue to invest in capabilities to build advanced manufacturing solutions for diverse industries, including industrial and instrumentation, medical, military, aerospace, energy, and transportation. Prime's expanded footprint in the Southeast, encompassing 3 facilities in Georgia and Florida, is ideal for companies seeking to produce high-reliability advanced electronics in the U.S., or for those who desire to streamline supply chains with a partner close to home. Our headquarters are conveniently located near the logistics hub of Atlanta. At Prime, our passion is to help innovators design, engineer, and commercialize their best and brightest ideas, providing valuable support throughout the product lifecycle. Our advanced precision SMT lines are the backbone of our operation, producing high-density printed circuit board assemblies that pack more power. The result is maximized scale and efficiency with products delivered on time and on budget. Flexibility and responsiveness are 2 of Prime's key competitive advantages. We understand change happens fast and consumers demand choices. We maximize your options and minimize time to market. Nobody does high mix better than Prime. Here, our skilled teams are trained and certified to meet the most challenging requirements. With our lean, disciplined, and battle-tested process, Prime embeds quality into every step, so your mission-critical electronics work flawlessly every time, no matter how complex the conditions. Reliability is our promise. Your success is our prime objective.